Hello friends, welcome back. In the last videos we covered about transitive dependencies and optional dependencies, right? Are you getting? Requires a directive with a transitive keyword, requires a directive with a static keyword. These things are clear, right? Sir, now we instead of requires, sir, another directive we are always going to use exports. Can you please export this package to other modules? Like that, exports. For exports, do you have any extra keyword for that, or otherwise do you have any extra combination with exports? That part I have to discuss, right? Okay, sir, usually for which purpose we can use exports? To exports packages, a module to export packages of a module to other modules. Okay, we can use what? Exports, right? Suppose best example, I have one module is available, sir. Assume that module A, assume that module A. This module contain pack 1 and pack 2 is available, right? So total how many packages are available in this module? 2 packages, pack 1 and pack 2. By default these packages are private to this module. No other module is allowed to access by default. Are you getting that? If sir, these packages, if this module want to export, sir, to make available for other module, this module should compulsory what? Exports. Are you getting? Suppose if I can take in the module info.java module A. Observe that very carefully, sir. Module A. Sir, exports pack 1, exports pack 1, then automatically only pack 1 is available for the remaining packages, for the remaining modules, right? Are you getting? So a module can use exports keyword to export its packages to the remaining module. For that purpose we can use what? Exports. Sir, if I'm not using exports, pack 1 and pack 2 can be used by only module A, and these are not available to other modules, right? That's why, sir, module provides a strong encapsulation when compared with a jar file. So do you know, sir, module security wise is too good, sir. If I want just a pack 2 for internal purpose only, I don't want to highlight to the outside person. If you don't want to highlight to the outside person, happily we can use what? Exports only pack 1. Pack 1 is available, pack 2 is not available. Are you getting? Am I going to get security or not? Yes. So when compared with a jar file, module provides more encapsulation, strong encapsulation. That's why security is more. Clear up to this, right? Sir, now my requirement is, if I use exports pack 1, now pack 1 is available for all the remaining modules. Are you getting? For all the remaining modules. But now my requirement is, I want to export this pack 1 only for a particular module. Are you getting? Only for a particular module. Sir, is it possible or not? Yes, possible. How you can write, sir? Suppose I want to make this pack 1 available only for module B, not for the remaining modules, right? How I can able to write? Observe that. Exports pack 1 to module B. Are you getting? Exports pack 1 to module B. Are you getting which keyword I'm using, right? To module B. So now pack 1 is available only for module B. Pack 1 is available only for module B. For the remaining modules, it is not available. Clear, right? Okay. Sir, this pack 1 is available only for module B. For the remaining modules, it is not available. Remember this one, sir. Okay. Sir, such a type of exports are called qualified exports. Are you getting that? What is the word I'm discussing, sir? Qualified exports. Such a type of exports are called qualified exports. So a module can export its package, sir, to a particular module. Sir, make pack 1 available only for module B, or only for module B and module C. If you have such a type of requirement, happily we can use what? Exports with the 2 keyword, which is nothing but what? Qualified exports. Sir, observe that here. Have a look on exports pack 1. Now pack 1 is available for all the modules, right? Sir, exports pack 1 to module B. Now pack 1 is available only for module B. Module C, module D are not allowed to access. Are you getting? Same way, exports pack 1 to exports pack 1 to module B, comma module C. Are you getting exports pack 1 to module B, comma module C? What is the meaning of that, sir? Now pack 1 is available only for module B and module C. For the remaining modules, it is not available. Are you getting? For the remaining module, it is not available, right? Okay. Make sure such a type of exports are by default considered as what? Qualified exports. Are you in a position to understand, right? I want to export my package only for a particular module. Only that particular module only allowed to use. Remaining modules are not allowed to use, right? Remaining modules can't access my package. My package should be visible only for a particular module. For the remaining modules, it should not be visible. If you have such a type of requirement, happily we can go for what? Qualified exports. How you can write qualified exports is, this is the syntax, right? I hope, are you in everyone in a position to understand, right? Sir, what is the meaning of qualified exports? Exports to a particular module, exports to a particular group of modules, how you can able to do, which is nothing but what? Qualified exports. Clear, right? Sir, let me consider our notes so that you people can get much clarity, right? Observe that. Observe a bit carefully. Sir, what is our topic name? Qualified exports. Are you getting? Sometime a module can export its package to specific module instead of every module. Are you getting? Sometimes a module can export its package to specific module instead of every module. Then the specified module only can access. Such type of exports are called qualified exports. Remember that, sir. Such type of exports are called qualified exports. Syntax, right? Exports, sir, package name. It may be pack 1 or pack 2, anything, sir. Only one package we have to take. 2, any number of modules you can take, sir, no problem at all. Any number of modules we are allowed to take. Okay, sir. Example, sir, observe that. Export, sir, here module A. Sir, here need not be A. Just observe that any module name, any no. Sir, exports pack 1. Exports pack 1. What is the meaning of exports pack 1, sir? To export pack 1 to all module. Sir, any other module is allowed to access pack 1. Observe that, sir. Sir, pack 1 to module A. Oh, I'm taking pack 1 to module A. What is the meaning of that? Pack 1, I'm exporting to module A. Remember that, okay? Sir, now only module A is going to get. Sir, here, anyway, don't feel. Sir, here also module A, here also module A. Here, you can take anything XYZ, sir. Observe that. Here, you can take anything, sir. Here, what is the export? Pack 1 to module A mean it is available only for module A. Similarly, exports, module A, comma module B means now pack 1 is available only for module A and module B. Such a type of exports are by default considered as what? Such type of exports are by default considered as what? Qualified exports. Clear for all of you, right? Sir, with requires keyword, we are going to use what? Requires a transitive, requires a static. Transitive dependencies and optional dependencies, right? Similarly, for exports, which thing we are going to use? Qualified exports. Can you please export this package to particular module? Sir, such a type of thing is nothing but what? Qualified export. Sir, if you feel comfortable with the theory, let me go for a small demo program so that you people can feel more comfortable. Sir, concept is very less, but I have to execute. Is it really happening or not? With a small example so that you will get much clarity. Clear for all of you, right? Sir, now I will explain a small demo program. How to use exports, qualified exports. Are you getting that? How you can use qualified exports for a particular module. Sir, a small demo program I will discuss so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Sir, just have a look on this diagram. Sir, observe that. Observe a bit carefully, sir. Demo program for qualified exports. Sir, here how many modules are available? Please observe that. Sir, this is the first module, exporter module. The person who is going to export its packages, okay, exporter module. What is this one, sir? Module A. This one is nothing but what? Module B, sir. Sir, now exporter module contain how many packages? Pack 1, pack 2, pack 3. Pack 1 contain A.Java. pack 2 contain b.java, pack 3 contain c.java. Next, anyway, every module should compulsory contain module info.java. Okay, like module A contain pack A and sir which contain test.java, module B contain pack B sir under test.java. Make sure sir compulsory this diagram better to keep in your mind. Remember that sir, total how many modules are available? 3 module. What is the first module name? Exporter module, module A and module B. Next, exporter module contain how many packages, right? 3 packages, pack 1, pack 2, pack 3. Okay, like sir, now this A.java, B.java, C.java won't provide any functionality, just I'm writing normal classes. Observe that sir, components of exporter module. Okay, A.java, package pack 1, public class A. That's all. I'm not writing any much code. Sir, B.java, package pack 2, public class B. Sir, C.java, public class C. Okay, now module info.java, sir, this one is the very important, sir. Exports pack 1, exports pack 2 to module A, export pack 3 to module A comma module B. Have you observed, right? Sir, pack 1, can you please export pack 1? Sir, is it a normal export or qualified export? Normal export, sir, by default this package is available to every person. Remember that. Sir, pack 2 to module A. Oh, pack 2 is available only for module A. Pack 3 is available for module A and module B. Clear, right? Okay, make sure you should have clear clarity about this, right? Of course. Sir, next components of module A. Observe that it is, sir, have you observed? It is trying to use, sir, pack 1, pack 2, pack 3 of exporter module. Remember, just a SOP statement inside the main method. Next, requires exporter module. Okay, like sir, now come back, observe a bit carefully. So in our example, how many modules are available, sir? Exporter module, module A, module B. Exporter module contain how many packages, right? Pack 1, pack 2, pack 3. Sir, each package, pack 1 contain A, pack 2 contain B.java, pack 3 contain C.java. Clear, right? Sir, now have a look once, sir. This is the exporter module. Regarding exporter module, pack 1, pack 2, pack 3, module info.java, each one contain, right? Sir, now here I'm writing module, sir, exporter module, sir, module info.java, sir, exports pack 1. Are you getting? Module exporter module exports pack 1. Exports pack 1 means either pack 1 is available for all the modules or not. Yes, it is not qualified normal exports. That's why, sir, it is available for all. Remember that. Next, exports pack 2 comma module A. Exports pack 2 comma module A. Observe that very carefully, sir. So pack 2 is available only for module A. Remember, pack 2 is available only for module A. Similarly, exports pack 3 to module A comma module B. Remember that. So now pack 3 is available for module A, module B. Observe that, sir. Sir, exports pack 1. Please guide exports pack 1. Pack 1 is available to both modules or not? Yes, pack 1 it is a normal. That's why pack 1 is available for module A and for module B. Clear, right? Next, exports pack 2. Exports pack 2. Sir, pack 2 to module A. Pack 2 to module A. So it is available only for module A but not for module 3. Clear for all of you, right? Okay, sir, make sure you people should aware clearly, right? Next, pack 3, sir. Pack 3. Sir, pack 3 available to module A and module B. So available here and here. Clear? Are you able to understand, right? Make sure you people should have clear clarity, sir. So pack 2 available only for module A but not for module B. Sir, now I'm taking module A, module info.java. Inside that I'm taking requires exporter module normal. Sir, test.java. Sir, now, sir, have you observed? I'm using all the 3 modules. All the 3 packages of module A. Are you getting? All the 3 packages of exporter module I'm using. Now my question is, these 3 packages available to module A or not? Yes, according to our module info.java, all the 3 packages available to module A or not? Yes, no problem at all. Happily the code compiles fine, happily the code runs fine. Sir, you know this module A can use pack 1, pack 2, pack 3 of exporter module, no problem at all. Are you able to understand that clearly? Sir, now let me go for module B, sir. Observe that. Let me go for module B. Sir, for module B, pack 1 is available, but pack 2 is not available. Have you observed, right? Here have a look once. Pack 2 available only for module A. Pack 2 is not available for module B. That's why if you are trying to use pack 2 inside module B, compiler will give left and right. Observe the difference, right? So this is, sir, if I'm trying to compile this module B, automatically compile method by default you are going to get, sir. Make sure. So for module A, all the 3 packages are available. That's why we never going to get any problem. But for module B, we are going to get definitely compile method, right? Are you able to understand, right? So this is what you people should aware clearly, right? Okay, let me execute this code, sir. Observe that a bit carefully. SRC folder contain how many module? Exporter module, module A, module B. Sir, exporter module contain pack 1, pack 2, pack 3, and then module info.java. Sir, this file is very important. Exports pack 1. Pack 1 is available to both module. Exports pack 2 to module A. Oh, pack 2 is available only for module A, but not for module B. But pack 3 is available for both modules, right? Okay, remember. Now, sir, here, observe, pack 1 contain a simple a.java, that's all. I'm not writing much code, sir, just to explain the flow. Sir, pack 2 contain b.java. Next, pack 3 contain c.java. Observe that pack 3 contain c.java. Now, module A. Sir, module A requires exporter module. Yes, okay. Now, exporter module, all the 3 packages by default available to module A or not? Yes, man. If you want, observe that test package pack A, import pack 1.a, pack 2.b, pack 3.c, public class test, public static void main. Sir, all the 3 packages this module A is using, no problem, it is allowed to use, because the reason is for pack A, all the 3 packages are available. Are you getting that? For module A, all the 3 packages are available. That's why there is no problem at all, right? Okay, sir. Now let me compile. Let me compile, sir. Okay, let me compile this module. Here just have a look once, sir. I want to compile Java C -module source path. Are you getting -module source path? src -d out. src -d out. Can you please tell what is our first module? Exporter module. Okay, comma module A. Regarding exporter module, module A, like this, right? Sir, now have you just observed that because we are using exporter module, right? -m must be required. Just observe that, sir. While compiling, a small mistake I did, sir. -m followed by exporter module and module A. Can you please observe? Happily the code compiles fine. There is no problem at all. Sir, I have to run Java -module path. Can you please guide, sir? -module path out -m. Sir, what thing I have to run? Module A. Sir, pack A dot test. Again, I have to run package.test. Observe that qualified exports demo. There is no problem at all. So for module A, sir, both packages are available. All the 3 packages are available. No problem according to our module info.java. Are you getting that? According to module info.java, sir, for module A, pack 1 is available, pack 2 is available, and pack 3 is available, right? But for module B, pack 2 is not available. Have you observed? Exports pack 2 to module A. That's all. For module B, pack 2 is not available. Okay. Now, sir, let me consider, sir, module B functionality. Have a look once. Module B functionality. Inside module B, module info.java requires exporter module, pack B, sir. Inside that, have you observed, right? Import pack 1, sir. All the 3 packages I'm trying to use, right? If you are trying to use pack 2, immediately compiler will give left and right. If you want to observe that, sir, can you please let me compile? let me compile Java C hyphen module source path src hyphen d out hyphen m. Okay, let me compile exporter module comma module b, sir. Exporter module comma module b. Whenever we are trying to compile module b, compiler will give left and right, because for module B, pack 2 is not available, but you are trying to use. Have you observed, right? What is the compatible error we are getting? Package pack 2 does not exist. Package pack 2 does not exist. Are you getting? Here is the problem, right? But pack 1 and pack 3, happily you can use, right? But if you comment this line, observe that. If I comment this line, okay, if I comment this line, now, sir, I'm not using pack 2, let me compile. Happily the code is going to compile. Make sure, sir, let me run this code, sir. Java hyphen module path out hyphen m, next module b, sir, pack b dot test. Are you getting pack b data test? What is the output? By default we are going to get, sir, qualified exports demo. Clear for all of it, okay? So this is what you people should aware, sir. Sir, now it's very clear for all of it. I'm taking 3 modules: exporter module, module A, module B. Sir, for module A, all the 3 packages are available. In module A, if you are trying to use all the 3 packages, you're never going to get any compile error or any runtime error. Happily it's going to run. But for module B, only pack 1 and pack 3 is available, but pack 2 is not available, right? If you are trying to compile module B, immediately compatible error we are going to get. Are you in a position to understand, right? So make sure, sir, if you want, I can export my package to a particular module. This concept is nothing but what? Qualified exports. Are you getting right? If you are going to execute this program, then I'm sure you people are going to get much clarity about this terminology, right? Okay, sir, normal exports, qualified exports. Observe the difference. Normal exports pack 1. If you consider exports pack 1, now pack 1 is available for all the modules. Exports pack 1 to module A. Now this package is available only for this particular module. Such type of concept is nothing but what, sir? Qualified exports concept. Are you in a position to understand, right? That's all, sir. You people should have clear clarity about this terminology, right? Okay, that's all, sir. Thank you. Sir, I hope you people got very clearly what is a requires a directive, what variations are there with the requires a directive. Sir, transitive and static. So which is nothing but transitive dependencies, next optional dependencies, right? Next, for exports also, we have some variation. I want to export my package to a particular module. Such type of exports are called what? Qualified exports. Clear for all of you, right, up to this? Sir, you know, sir, requires, we can use requires only for modules. Remember that requires a directive applicable only for modules. Sir, which other modules requires by current module? Are you getting? Requires we can use only for module, but not for packages, but not for classes. Similarly, we can use exports, sir, to export the packages, of a current module, so that these packages are available for the remaining modules also. Have you remembered in the last sessions I covered very clearly, sir? Exports applicable only for packages, but not for module, but not for class. Clear, right? Sir, requires is always going to use. We can use requires only for we can use requires only for module. We can use exports only for packages. Clear, right? Okay, sir. Next, at a time we can use requires only for one module. Remember, if you want to specify multiple modules, then for every module separate requires a directive we have to use. Similarly, we can use exports for only one package at a time. If you want to export multiple packages, for every package a separate exports directive must be required. Clear? Up to this, very clearly we covered all the things, right? Sir, now let me convert this total discussion into a bit style. If you are planning for certification, then may be a chance of possibility to ask this bit, right? Observe that. Observe a bit carefully, sir. Requires module A. Which of the following directives are valid inside module info.java. Remember, inside module info.java, which directives are valid? Which directives are valid, sir? Observe that requires module A. Oh, I'm using required for module only one module. That's why perfectly itself is valid. Can you please observe second one? Requires module A comma module B. Oh, we can't use requires for multiple modules simultaneously. That's why is it valid or invalid? Invalid, right? Next, requires module A dot pack 1. Module A dot pack 1. Sorry, we can use requires only for module but not for package. That's why this is invalid. Next, requires module A pack 1 dot A. Module A pack 1 dot A. Invalid, because we can use requires only for module but not for package but not for class. Okay, clear, right? Next, requires static module A. Have you observed, right? Optional dependency. Optional dependency, right? Requires static. Requires transitive module A. Perfectly valid. Transitive dependency, right? Okay, make sure. Sir, exports pack 1. Oh, we can use exports for packages. No problem at all. Exports pack 1 comma pack 2. Oh, we can use exports at a time for only one package. By mistake, if you are trying to export 2 packages, itself is invalid. Clear, right? Next, exports module A. Invalid, because exports is applicable only for exports is applicable only for packages but not for module. Sir, export module A package dot A. Exports is applicable for packages but not for classes. Remember that. Okay. Next, exports pack 1 to module A. Boss, can you please export pack 1 to only module A? Only module A. Qualified exports valid. Sir, exports pack 1 to module A comma module B. Sir, can you please export to module A comma module B? Yes, perfectly itself is valid, right? I hope you people are in a position to understand where we can use export, how you can use sir requires, like clear, right? There may be a chance of asking this type of possible bits, sir. In our material I included already. Have a look once. Observe that. Requires module A, same 12 options whatever I covered on the board, same thing only. Sir, 1, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12 are valid. 1 valid, sir. Next, fifth one valid. Okay, sixth one valid, seventh one valid. Next, 11 and 12th are valid, right? Make sure these are the only valid cases, right? Clear, right? So that's all, sir. This is about what is required, what is export, what is a transitive dependency, what is optional dependency, what is cyclic dependency, and the qualified exports. Clear, right? That's all, sir. Thank you.